Hello, sweetheart. How are you today? Fine? I hope so. Today is Wednesday, April 29th. We are going to do something special today. Ready? Look at the picture. Where are we going today? It's a beautiful island. We will travel to an island. We will make an extraordinary trip. Pack your suitcase. This is your suitcase with the clothes you need. What weather will it be on the island? Let's see. Please bring your book and open your book on page 68. I will wait for you, okay? Don't worry, go. Page 68. Please listen carefully. Listen the story.
5. The Island.
Oh no! It's rainy! My clothes! Eek!
It's windy.
Oh no! My hat! Oh no! It's snowy!
And it's cold.
Wow! Look! Is it sunny? Yes, it is. It's sunny.
Yay! It's sunny
And it's hot.
Good job. Do you like the story? Sure. Excellent. Let's learn about some outfits, okay? On a cloudy day, we wear, look at the boy, a shirt, jeans. She wears a sweater, sneakers. It's a cloudy day. On a rainy day, we can wear and we can use an umbrella. Look at this umbrella, a beautiful red umbrella, a coat, and boots. It's a rainy day. On a sunny day, we can wear sandals, a short, a t-shirt. It's a sunny day. On a snowy day, we wear a scarf, gloves, and a coat. Right? Yeah. Now, it's your turn. Let's go get clothes from your closet. Something for summer and some for winter. Can you help me to separate them? Go to your closet and bring some clothes. Something for summer and some for winter. And please separate them. Ready? It's easy. It's funny. So let's go and enjoy it. Goodbye. See you later. Bye-bye.